Hello guys, in previous video we given the dimensions like this, and now we should add the doors and etc. Doors, windows, hatches. We should give this section for the. I want to give the door sections. Click on the doors and Control 2. It will be opening that like this, and which type of doors your requirements we can see here. Doors are available. Okay, I need a double door for entrance, so click on it. Simply drag to the right side or left side, it's enough. And next, I want a single door also, like this. We should draw it. This is the windows. Okay, the two doors was taken, and select this door and move option. Click on move option here. Somewhat zoom in. Take a specific point. Here we should drag to the next side. Simply paste it toward upward direction somewhat. So for that, select and move. Okay, the door was placed, and the next thing is you should trim this area and enter it and select all of it. Trim it like this. Did not touch it this one, so select and move. Here paste it and enter it. Select all of it. Okay, trim it. These also we should trim it. Okay. The trim was completed here for this door. And next, select the door option and copy. You can copy like this. Okay, and escape it. Next, click on move option. Select it, enter it. Take a specific point. And move. Where view requirements, we can paste it. Somewhat zoom in. Select the specific point. You can paste it. As per the requirements, we can paste it. Okay. Escape it. And you should trim it. Here, enter. Select all objects. Okay, trim was completed here, this section. Okay, I need here on place the door. So escape it. Select the object and move. Click on move option. Drag to move option here. You can paste it and escape it. Somewhat zoom in. you should rotate the door. So first of all you select it and rotate. As per our requirements, escape and select the object, move. Like this we can draw. Okay, it's enough it. Okay, yeah, the door was completed here. And next so we want to delete the layer, this layer. So for that, okay, I want to remove these dimensions. Okay, the dimensions was related. So here means 10 trim and select all object here, and next we should trim it. Okay, select the object. Select the object and click on more option here. Okay, completed. And next go for the trim option here. Click on trim and escape it. This line was moved, so for that I want to add the line. Click on line option here, take a specific point. Okay, the point was selected. You can touch it and escape it. Okay, again I want to paste here window, so for that select the object, copy. Okay, enough it. And select the object, move, and select the object here, select the specific point to move the downwards. You can paste it here. Were not like this, it means the straight line was somewhat close, so that was the door was not fixing here. Here the door was it will be touched, so for that I want to move the left side. So for that you select the object, move, click on move option here, and we can paste it here like this. And the next thing, we should trim it this one here, or we can either you can paste the door or open area, it will be enough it. So for that I want to give the open area for this section. So take a line here, line segment here, and here put another line. Escape it. And you can give the door here also. This section I need the okay. Okay, trim, select all object. Yes. You are in that. Select this one and delete it. You can add the lines also. Otherwise you can fill it, extended line like this. Fill it now. Okay, this is my open area, and I want to paste here further and select the object here and move it. Click on the move option here, select the point here. You can paste it here. I want to rotate this section, so click on rotate, enter. Okay, select the object and move option, click on move, select the point. Paste it here and escape it. Go for the trim. Zoom in and you can trim like this. Look at the trim was completed here for this section. Okay, the doors was completed for this section. Now we should add the